Hey guys, how are ya? How's everybody doing, huh? Yep, I got another package here, and this one is from Cabot Bluegill, Howard and Sue, from up in Vermont, and if you remember, they sent me the beautiful quilt. I've had this a few days now, and I hate it. Oh man, I wanted to open it, but at the same time I was afraid to open anything because, well, you know, don't want to be losing anything or whatever. So anyhow, I'm gonna open it now. I've already opened the seal, well, somewhat. See, it wasn't even opened all the way. So I want to see. He's sending me some pieces to do some carvings on, and hopefully keep me busy so that I can be productive. I'm ready to be productive. Oh, I'm ready. And we'll see what we have inside. See guys, I can start making some stuff, and look at this. This is what it looks like. So it goes from here to here. Oh wow. It's like a lesson in a box. I'm sorry, I'm off the chart here. I'm a little excited. This is so cool. I can learn how to carve these mallard ducks. Oh, we got some big crosses, little crosses. Oh, Howard, this is, oh. There's little mallard ducks. Oh, there's medium-sized. How cool. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm ready. I am so ready. These are blanks. Look at here. Look at this little. Oh, look at this little axe or hatchet keychain. Would that be so cool? That is so cool. We can make some. In fact, that is so neat. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, wow. Check it out. I love wood spirits. Oh, man. Howard, these are awesome. Awesome blanks. I've got to get started. I've got to get started. There's another. These are, I see, there's different ones. This is so thoughtful. And this can keep my hands busy. I gotta go get my carving tools. I gotta get started. And we'll see how I do. I've never carved one, but I've always wanted to. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate because, you know, I have a hard time with envisioning this. And I mean, it's a complete kit, guys. Complete kit. I love the little man. Oh my gosh. Whew, I can do this. I can do this. I can do it. I'll flip this round and around. Howard, you are awesome. These are awesome blanks, man. I should appreciate it. I can't wait to show you when I get when I get them started here, and I'll be turning out my own. Yeah. I love this wood spirit. This is so thoughtful. You are just so thoughtful, and this will get my mind occupied. My hand's busy. Yeah. All right, guys. Be watching for my progress here. As yeah, I'm gonna start turning out some creations. Thanks, Howard. I appreciate it, man. I do. And I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go get my knife here, and I'm gonna get going on them. Just be watching for the update. Thanks, man. I do appreciate it.